Welcome back students in Engineering Mathematics 3 course. In previous video we started Z transform of standard sequences. So continue this topic. So today we solve some more sequences and we find its Z transforms. So here there is one sequence a raised to modulus of k. This is one sequence is given. So we have to find Z transform of this sequence. So first we understand meaning of this sequence. So here given that a raised to modulus of k, correct? Now we understand what is meaning of modulus of k. So modulus of k is means it is positive value if k greater equal 0. If k greater equal 0, then modulus of k's value is k means positive and its value is negative if k strictly less than 0. That means it has two values, positive value and negative value. Positive value if k greater equal 0 and negative value if k less than 0. So in this sequence we find Z transform for these two types. So let's start. Here a raised to modulus of k means a raised to k if k greater equal 0, correct, and a raised to minus k if k strictly less than 0. So we have to find Z transform for these two sequences. So let's start. Here now we check which Z transforms definition can here apply. So here we have to find all values for all values of k, that means positive value and negative value. So here we can apply the definition of Z transform bilateral. Bilateral Z transforms definition we apply here. So write it, the definition bilateral Z transform is, what is the Z transforms definition? Z of f of k, it is also denoted by capital F of Z, is equal to summation k start from what? For all k, that means k start from minus infinity to infinity f of k into z raised to minus k. This is bilateral Z transforms definition. Now we substitute value of sequence f of k. So here first we write k start from minus infinity to infinity, f of k is a raised to modulus of k into z raised to minus k. Now we divide this modulus of k into two parts, first positive part and second negative part. This is summation, so we can divide it in two parts. So first part is negative, that means k start from minus infinity to minus 1 because k is negative. A raised to minus k into z raised to minus k plus second summation is positive for positive values of k, start from 0 to infinity for positive value. The sequence is a raised to k into z raised to minus k. So here we divide this sequence into two parts. Now solve these two parts separately. In first part, see, in first part the k's value is negative, and in previous lecture we solve this type of sequence. So how it solve? For that put k is equal to minus m, correct? That means for k is equal to minus infinity we get what? K is equal to minus infinity. That means minus m is equal to minus infinity, means value of m is infinity. And same for k is equal to minus 1. For k is equal to minus 1, the value of m is minus 1 is equal to minus m. That means m is equal to 1. So we get k start from 1 to infinity. Correct? Let's put value of k. A raised to minus k is equal to minus m. That means a raised to m into z raised to minus k is equal to minus m. That means m is equal to k. That means, so the value we have to get a raised to m into z raised to m. In next part, this sequence is already positive, so write it same. A raised to k into z raised to minus k. Now solve these two sequences. So here in first summation, here m is equal to 1. M is equal, start from 1 to infinity. We substitute k is equal to minus m. So here m is equal to 1 to infinity summation. Here h's power is m, z's power is also m. So we write it as az raised to m, plus same in this summation. Here a raised to k, that means positive power, and is here z's power is negative. It is written as z raised to minus k, that means 1 upon z raised to k. So it is a upon z raised to k. Now observe these two sequences, this power series. Observe these two power series. So these are the geometric series, correct? These are the what? Geometric power series. And we know that this geometric power series converge only if for the region modulus of r less than 1. These are the power series. These are the geometric power series. This is first and this second. First geometric power series is converge to r upon 1 minus r only for the region modulus of r less than 1. Here summation start from 1 to infinity. And second power geometric series is start from 0 to infinity, and it converges to 1 upon 1 minus r only if modulus of r less than 1. So compare these two series in this our given series. So here first geometric series start from 1 to infinity. That means this geometric series converges to r upon 1 minus r. This power series converges to az upon 1 minus az only if what? If modulus of az's value is strictly less than 1. For the region of convergence is, for this geometric series is modulus of az less than 1. Same here, this geometric series is converged to 1 upon 1 minus a upon z only if the a upon z's value belongs to the region of convergence modulus of a upon z less than 1. So first term as it is, az upon 1 minus az, plus in second term we multiply and divide to 1 by z. So we get 1 upon z minus a upon z. So what we have to get? Z of a raised to modulus of k is equal to az upon 1 minus az plus z upon z minus a. For the region of convergence, a modulus of az less than 1, and for second multiply and divide multiply both side by modulus of z. So we get a less than modulus of z. This is the z transform of the sequence a raised to modulus of k. So az upon 1 minus az plus z upon z minus a. So here the region is az is less than 1. That means here divide both side by a. So we get modulus of z is greater than 1 upon a, and here a is less than modulus of z. That means a less than 1 upon a less than modulus of z, and modulus of modulus of z less than 1 upon a if we divide both side by a. So and here a is less than modulus of z, and from that we write it as a less than modulus of z, and modulus of z is less than 1 upon a. So this is required z transform of the given sequence a raised to modulus of k. Now we will see one more standard sequence e raised to ak. So solve this sequence e raised to ak. So same as like previous, f of k is e raised to ak. Same for k greater equal 0, here k greater equal 0, that means only positive values of k. So here we use unilateral z transforms definition, and unilateral z transforms definition is z of f of k is equal to summation of start from 0 to infinity f of k into z raised to minus k. Substitute value of f of k is equal to 0 to infinity, f of k is e raised to ak, and z into z raised to minus k. So same as like previous, same here value of z raised to minus k, that means this it is also written as 1 upon z raised to k. That means k start from 0 to infinity e raised to a upon z and all raised to k. So this is value of r. Now it is also in pattern it is also a geometric series, and this geometric series is converged to 1 upon 1 minus r. That means here r means e raised to a upon z. For the region e raised to a upon z, modulus of e raised to a upon z less than 1. Simplify it, multiply, divide both side, multiply and divide to 1 by z. So we get 1 upon z minus e raised to a upon z. Region is e raised to a upon z less than 1, and it is, that means it is z upon z minus e raised to a. Here multiply both side by mod z, so we get modulus of e raised to a less than modulus of z. So this is the z transform of e raised to ak. Now there is exercise for you, same sequence you solve for same sequence z of e raised to ak is equal to e raised to minus ak is equal to z upon z minus e raised to minus a for the k greater equal 0. Same solve as like previous, this sequence e raised to ak. It is exercise for you. Now we stop here. In next lecture we solve some more standard sequences. Thank you.